Hello my dear friends. In this video we will discuss about the use of capital letters or capitalization rules. This topic is very important for everyone to know how to use the capital letters. Everyone, each and every student or anyone can get the difficulty to use the capital letters. Okay, you can see here about the rules of the usage of the capital letters. Okay, rule number 1, you can observe that at the beginning of sentence, where at the beginning of the sentence and also at the beginning of the sentence in quotations. So here in this first rule you have to remind that at the beginning of the sentence and as well as quotation, it means that inverted commas, there we have to begin with the capital letters. And you can see the example number 1. You can see here the sentence, she is preparing for a test now, and you can see that the new sentence, beginning of the sentence, the capital letter S. Okay, capital letter S, you can observe here she. And in the second sentence you can see that the first beginning and as well as this is what, quotations or inverted comma. You can see here also we have to begin with capital letters. She said, okay, light travels faster than sound. Rule number 2, at the beginning of every line of poem, beginning of the every line of poem, and you can observe here the first line of the poem, this is completely first line. Okay, this also they come under the first line. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, and you can see the next second line, and here also you can see what we have to use. We have to begin with capital letter, but I have promises to keep. Second rule is that very important. Rule number 3, third rule, with personal names and as well as the proper nouns and personal pronoun, what is that? That is I. Remind my dear friends, I is always capital. Okay, if you write single I am a student, so I should be a capital. Okay, if you are writing just I. And you can see here Osmania University. Okay, O and as well as U. And next you can observe that Red Fort, next Netaji, its name Bhagat Singh, and Kalam, Mount Everest. Here also we have to remind to use of capital letter. Rule number 4, with adjectives, which is actually derived from the proper nouns. Okay, example you can see that Indian festivals, Chinese toys, and as well as you can see that the Japanese dolls. What we discussed, the adjective, you can see here toy, Chinese toys, Japanese dolls, which is derived from the proper noun. Rule number 5 or fifth rule, with the first letter of a day, like Sunday, S should be a capital. Month, January, okay, in that January J should be a capital. Like festivals, special occasions, religion or class, that should be represented as one group. Or holy books, okay, or literary works or literature books, that should be begin with capital letter. It may be a beginning of the sentence or it may be a middle of the passage. We have to begin with the capital letters. These things like Monday, capital M, June J, Ramzan R, Republic Day, you can see here, and Christian, okay, C, the Quran Q, the Ramayana R, okay, the Bible, Gitanjali, Malgudi Days, and you can see here we have to follow the capital letters. Rule number 6, with high ranking officials, it means officers, high ranking officers, heads of state, heads of religions, and you can see as example the prime minister, the chief justice, in the chief C, justice J. The Pope, in that Pope. P. The Queen of England, and you can see here Q, Queen in that Q, and you can see in England E. Rule number 7, seventh rule, with the first letter of God, Lord Almighty. You can use any one, and when you are using, you have to follow the capital letter and the pronouns that refer to them, and those pronouns which actually referring these. You can see here the example. First example, that do you believe in God? Okay, God. Here you can see G, and you can see here at the beginning of the sentence we discussed begin with capital letters. And second example, you can observe here, pray to the Lord since He alone saves you, and you can see here completely Lord, in that Lord L, and pray to the Lord. Okay, since He alone saves you, here you can see the capital H. Next, rule number 8, with historical events. For example, the First World War, this is also historical event. The French Revolution, this is also historical event. The Battle of Plassey, this is also historical event. Rule number 9, with political parties, institutions, abbreviations of such names. Example, the Communist Party, the College of Economics, UNO, UNESCO, WHO. You can see here name of the party, institution, the College of Economics, UNO, UNESCO, WHO. I hope you understood about the usage of capital letters or capitalization rules. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.